Good evening, sir.
C assignment operator. C equals to 20. It is called as the assignment operator. C equals to 20. Then next is, if I pass C equals to 20, it will check whether the value of C is equal to 20 or not. C is 20 is saying that we are assigning the value 20 in C. If I write C is equals to 20, that means I will check whether the value of C is equal to 20 or not. Then C plus equals to 20 means C is equals to C plus C plus 20. Okay. Or if you write A plus equals to B, that means A equals to A plus B. So your assignment operator is of two types. One is your simple assignment operator, yeah, complex assignment operator. So here two type operator we are using. One is simple assignment operator, another is complex assignment operator. Simple assignment operator means C equals to 20, and complex assignment operator we are using C plus equals to 20. Okay. Most then minus equals to A minus equals to B means A equals to A minus B. A multiplication equals to B means A equals to A into B. A division equals to B means A equals to A by B. Then A modulo equals to B means A equals to A modulo B, which is showing the remainder part. Then we have to use the program. What program टे use करूँ? I move with the practical.
Chinmay sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Is it disciplined? Yes. ये मौनी sir.
Program that were using INTA equals to 5, then C equals to A, तो C equals to A हेले हमरा इटी देखियो देखो C is 5, then C is equals to 10 केमती आसिला ना C plus equals to A, C plus equals to A, तो C रो वैल्यू के रहिला 5 रहिला, A रो वैल्यू भी 5, तो C plus equals to means C plus equals to A means C equals to
C
C
plus
plus
A.
A, तो दीटा नंबर से ऐड हैला देखेला 10, then C minus equals to A, C minus equals to A means C is equals to C minus A, तो C रो वैल्यू हैला 10, 10 minus 5 हैला 5, तो एटे मते 5 देखेला, then C multiplication equals to A, तो C रो वैल्यू 5 अछि, तो 5 into 5 हैला 25, तो एटे मते 25 एटी शो कला, तापर एठी हैला C modulo equals to A, sorry C division equals to A, C रो वैल्यू 25 अछि, 25 by 5 C रो वैल्यू हैला 5, then C रो वैल्यू एठी 5 अछि, C equals to C modulo A means 5 divided by 5, तो 5 divided by 5 तमरा आसला रिमाइंडर आसला 0, तो modulo is used for showing the remainder part, बुझिला?
Yes, sir.
सुनील,
Yes, sir.
मनोरंजन,
Yes, sir.
Sir, ମୁଁ ବି ବୁଝିଲି।
हम मधु बुझ पाइला?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍। ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ବା ଏଠି ବସିଥିଲି ଯେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଖରାପ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ସାର୍, ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଟିକେ 4 ମିନିଟ୍ ଲେଟ୍ରେ ଜଏନ୍ କଲି।
କୋଡେ ଯୋ एग्जाम ପାଇଁ?
ହଁ ସାର୍ ଭାରି ହଇରାଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଏଇନା ଆସିଲା, ସେତେବେଳେ ଆବାଜ ଆସିନଥିଲା।
ବୁଝିଗଲା ତ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Yes.
So these are the relational operator we are using: equal, equal, greater than, less than, not equal, greater than equals to, less than equals to. Now we go for the example to check So int a equals to 5, b equals to 5, c is equals to 10. So we are defining three variables, a 5, b 5, c is equals to 10. Now here we define a is equals to b. If your condition is true, then check that what it will display. Five is equals to 5. It is written you 1. When you are using true and false value, it is written 1 and 0. 5 is equals to 10. Then it is 0. 5 is greater than 5 is 0. 5 is greater than 10 is 0. 5 is less than 5 is 0 because both are equal. 5 is less than 10, condition is true, so it is written you 1. Then 5 is not equals to 5, condition is false. 5 is not equals to 1, condition is true, 5 is not equals to 1. 5 is greater than equals to 5, condition is true as because 5 is equals to 5. 5 is less than equals to 10, your condition is true, then it is showing you 0. So these are the different conditional operator we are using for what? In a logical statement or in a conditional construct.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in the program?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Madhu?
No sir बुझेला.
Logical operator. Already we covered that logical operator. Logical operator contain the three part. One is and or not operator. Logical operator. And means if both the condition is true. And means if the both condition is true, it is written you true. Or means if any one condition is true, it is written you true value. Not means if your condition is true, then it is written you false. If your condition is false, it is written you true. That is your logical operator. The and or not. The logical and true only if the operand are true. Or operator, if any one condition is true, it is written you true. Not operator, if your condition is false, then it is written you false value. Now we come to that logical part. First we are using AND operator in the logical part. In logical operator, if true, true, it return you true. If it is true, false, return you false. If it is false, false, return you false. In the case of OR operator, is evaluate two statement. True, true, return you true. True, false, return you true. False, false, return you false. It is your OR operator. Next is NOT operator. NOT operator means if true, it is evaluate only one value. If true, return you false.
False.
If false, then it is return you true.
True.
It is called as the not operator. The not operator, it is represented in this form. It is your not operator. Manisha, any question?
No, sir.
So it is called as your logical operator. Now we go for the example. Int a equals to 5, b is equals to 5, c equals to 10. So three variable were defined. Then we define a result. The result equals to a is equals to b. So if your condition is true and a c is greater than b, a is equals to b, the int a equals to 5, b is equals to 5, c is equals to 10, then result. The result equals to if a is equals to b, if both are equal and c is greater than b, if c is greater than b, if both the condition is true, then it is return you true. तो ए केसेस रे मोर कोन रहला मोर एटा कंडीशन ट्रू रहला, ए भी ट्रू रहला और बी भी ट्रू रहला. तापर रिजल्ट इक्वल्स टू a is equals to b, c is less than b, a is equals to b, माने a रा वैल्यू 5 से तो इक्वल के ट्रू, देन c is less than b, c is less than b, नो कंडीशन फॉल्स हला, नो एंड
False.
ऑपरेटर रे मते एटी कोन रहइबो फॉल्स रहइबो. एटा मु रन करूची देखिबो. जोरा फॉल्स सेटा हमर 0 आसिला. a is equals to b, तेनु 1 देखेला. a is equals to b and c is less than equals to b 0 देखेला. a तापर हमें देखिबा a is equals to b और c is less than b, माने एठी बोथ कंडीशन भितर जदि मोर गोटे कंडीशन ट्रू रहउची ताले मते रिटर्न करबो ट्रू, माने मोर a is equals to b टा ट्रू रहइला. तापर एकला रिजल्ट a not equals to b कंडीशन फॉल्स हला किंतु c is less than b, c is less than b कंडीशन ट्रू रहइला.
False.
तो एठी मते देखेला कोन ना रिजल्ट देखेला 0. ये सब डिफरेंट हमारा लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर हमें एठी यूज करे. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. C bitwise operator. During the computation, mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are converted to the bit level. What is that bit level? Computer is only understand the 0 and 1 format. So any value that you have passed, like you are passing A, V, C, D, anything that you are type in the keyboard, so that is the word or letter for the human. But computer doesn't understand what is A, B, what is B, what is C, and what is D. Any information you pass through the computer, it is converted to 0 and 1 format. So for manipulating that bit level operation, we're using C bitwise operator. So during computation, mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are converted to the bit level, which make processing faster and save the power. One is AND operator, it is called as the bitwise AND. When you use OR operator, it is used bitwise OR. When you use cap operator, bitwise OR, it is called as the bitwise exclusive OR. Then tilde means negation. For NOT operator, we are using tilde. Shift operator, left shift, right shift operator that we are using. So these are the different operators we are using, which is performing or working on the bit level. Then next is size of operator. The size of unary operator that return the size of the data. Okay, means what is the size of your constant, what is the size of your float value, double value, character value. For retrieving it, we are using size of operator. So here it is showing you the double int 4 byte, float is 4 byte, double is 8 byte, character is 1 byte. So earlier in theoretically we learn about what is the what size of the every data type. But now what happened, by using of the programming language, we are using this type attribute. So by using type attribute, we come to know that what is the size of your data type that we are using. तो जो data type हमें use कले program रो से data type रो size एटी define होला.
सर तो परसेंटेज एलयू टा साइज पे लिखा हुआ है. सर सर
हाँ
सर जो परसेंटेज एलयू टा लिखा है थिला सेटा साइज पे लिखा हुआ.
हाँ एटा होची कोन साइज ऑफ लॉन्ग डबल माने हमें जो केते बाइट सब रिट्राइव करिया पई सेटा यू यूज करा होची एल फॉर लॉन्ग वैल्यू टाको हमें रिट्राइव करबा कहले एल यूज करा जाउची. बुझिला
आज्ञा सर.
एटा सरला नेक्स्ट क्लास रे हमें कंडीशनल कंस्ट्रक्ट पढ़िबा. एटा हमरा असाइनमेंट बहुत बढ़ी जीवो नेक्स्ट क्लास को. तो ये असाइनमेंट सब करके देखियो इफ एल्स स्विच केस जो कंस्ट्रक्ट हम पढ़िबा हैला.
यस सर.
ठीक है चलो.
थैंक यू सर.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
वेलकम.